as you can all see, the time is 6:30 now, and finally, after several attempts of getting up, I finally woke up around 6:35 a.m. and the very first thing I do every morning when I woke up is start with my morning pages. That's writing 3 pages of whatever comes to mind every single morning. Yes. I wouldn't say this is my skincare. I actually got this idea from Ama Governor, a Ghanaian content creator, and so far I'm loving it. So I usually do this every single morning before taking my bath. As you all can see, I'm just done bathing, and then my skin is looking so fresh and I'm just feeling myself. So after bathing, I'm trying to cook something to eat, and today what is cooking is oil rice, aka anwamo, alias sweating rice. Yeah, so that's what is cooking. So let's go get it. So pretty much this is like a mini day in my life. When I have nowhere to go, I'm just home. This is how I spend my day. I wouldn't have added the veggies you are seeing, but on a second thought, I remembered this video right here.
Yale nkitingiti bi wo ho a wunyini duru age bi a on sabe dey ebe ka bi enam abibifo aduane a motadi no galeto small aduane a mopɛ no galeto na wadnya botre twi mokoyirawa e de ngo agu galeto twi no awe wam sa wo be dey na wunya hypertension.
So I decided to add the leaves to make it healthy. Just taking a walk. Yes, I just needed to take a walk, and in my area, pretty much like I'm gaining weight of late, and then I needed to start doing this because work. And I think this package also actually came in a good timing. So this watch is a smartwatch Series 6, and it supports Android 5.0 and iOS 9.0 and above. As you can see, I connected the smartwatch with my phone, and then here you are. I'm getting my WhatsApp notifications on the watch. So please, if you are interested in getting one, all you need to do is follow me on Instagram and DM me. I'll take it from there. I have an app on it that like manage your steps. That says like you're supposed to take like about 5,000 steps a day. We like just taking a stroll in my area, places that I've never been before. I've been here for like a year now, yes, but I don't really know places around. So that's what we are doing. So we're just taking a stroll around the area to see if you identify new things. Hey, champion. Oh, I never knew this people existed here. I only hear about. Initially, I had wanted to do other streets, but I don't know. I was trying. I didn't really want like do it later that people will be watching me. I actually get scared. I know. I actually get shy when I'm trying to vlog, because this isn't the first time I'm trying to vlog. I've tried it so many times and it never worked. Yes. So I think pretty much this is like my area. Yeah. I'm panting and I need to burn more calories because I'm gaining weight, and then I think it's unnecessary. I don't really need those weights. I'm panting. I'm supposed to take like 5,000 steps a day. I just started, so, and it's going like 6:20 now. So I'm working. When I'm tired, I'll go home, and pretty much like I'm in my area right now. I'm not quite far. I'm just like about 10 minutes away from my area. Yes, basically that is it. So I'm just doing the walking. If I'm tired, I'll go back home, and I need to burn the calories. Like I'm getting though I'll show you it. I'm getting weight now, like I want my tummy area, which I need to burn. It's not healthy, yes, and your girl needs to be healthy, you know that, right? Yeah, so I'm just working to burn some calories, and I think. And I have these things in my ear. I don't have an iPod yet. I think I'm getting mad because probably they are not used to this kind of thing. People walking around with their phones, talking to themselves. They think I'm pretty much like going crazy. And mind you, I've been in this area for like a year now, but I don't really know people around because that's how bad I am. How people keep watching me as if I'm crazy. Like, what's wrong with this girl? You're the streets are alone by yourself, and you have a camera talking to yourself like crazy. Like, as you can see from the behind, it's really getting dark from that point. I don't know if I can flip the camera for you to see where I'm going now. Like this, where I go to now, the main road, busy route. Yes. And I'm tired, so I'm just resting while showing you around. And this as you can see the way I'm sweating. Pretty much like I just go home, and I think the time is like 6:59. It's almost like an hour that I left home, and then I'm back right away. And then I took like about 8,553 steps. Yes, like, oh, I did well. People should clap for me now. I'm back. It's not easy. It was quite difficult, and one thing I was scared about too was there was darkness around, and then pain. It's actually not safe for like just a lady by this time walking alone. Like, it's just not safe, like walking around. I'm just scared, like, so pretty much like have to just stop and come back home. Basically, yes. That's much then. Pretty much that's what I did. That's what's like it's for today, and I think I need to close the vlog because I started from morning. Yes, pretty much like I need to. I just hope with this it doesn't get too long. So I'm gonna have them break out here. Like, yeah, hey, it's fine. So pretty much like that's what I did, and then just going to take my shower and rest because I have been a little bit tired. So just take my shower and then rest. Yes. So thank you for taking a stay with me.